Hi, in this video we're going to see XLOOKUP with ascending versus descending order. What I mean by ascending or descending order. By default, XLOOKUP is grab the first result. Let me explain you with an example here. So I'm going to looking for a value for apple. So I have typed apple, comma. So this is a search range and this is a result range, right? So a missing value, I'm going to type NA and then close the parenthesis. Now you can see the result is 50. So the first match is giving me the 50. But what if I want to grab the apple result or apple value which is at the bottom of my table? So to do that, I need to add some little more details to XLOOKUP formula. So let's write it down. XLOOKUP. The whole process will remain same. Apple, the search key, and then this is a search range, and this is a result range. Missing value would be NA, and I'm going to looking for exact match. So I'm going to add 0, comma here. The change is about to happen. So I'm going to add -1, which will grab the bottom result of apple, which is 70, right? So it doesn't make any sense by this table, but let's look at the other scenario, which is about login details of the users and then their dates. Let's assume XLOOKUP, and I'm going to look for John's login details. So this is the lookup range and this is the result range. I'm going to write NA for missing value, 0 as a exact match. Now you see is 1st Jan is being pulled out here, but I want to know what was his last login date. To do that, okay, we can add this formula. So I'm going to add comma -1, which will give me the last login date. So in this way, you can know what was your user's last login date or time. Hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.